Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to go over 3 counter kicks that you need to know for sparring. Now let's get started. The first kick is going to be a cut kick, or basically it's just going to be a front leg side kick. The only difference between this and a traditional side kick is normally on a traditional side kick you're going to have a really big chamber before you do the kick. A cut kick is specifically for sparring, so you don't want a really big chamber. You want it to be nice and small, chamber more in front, and then you're just going to punch the kick out. This is going to be used for if someone's really aggressive, you want to keep them off you. Maybe it's the end of the round, they're trying to come in, score points, and you just want to keep someone away with it. So that's what's going to be really good for this one. Nice, small, just a front leg punching side kick. This second kick is going to be a patachagi, or basically a counter roundhouse kick. So this one, if you want to practice it, you're just going to start in close to your target, and you're just going to do one slide back, and then with your back leg, roundhouse kick. That's all you're going to do. And then what I want you to start doing is practicing with a partner, someone who can step in, give you a little bit more of a reaction. That way you can also get your distance down. But this one's really good if someone's attacking you in sparring. You slide back out of the way of the kick, and then you counter back with your own roundhouse kick. Super simple, small slide back, back leg roundhouse kick. Nice, simple, but it's very effective. This last and final kick is going to be a jump spin back kick counter, or if you're more advanced, you can turn it into a jump spin hook kick. Pretty much it looks like this. So make sure you practice that first. The best way to land this in sparring is going to be if someone is really charging you, they're really aggressive coming at you, or if someone is specifically attacking your open side, it's a great time to do this counter as well. 2 things to keep in mind when throwing this jump back kick. Make sure you don't go forward with it. You also don't fall backwards on it. Make sure you stay more in place, a nice, small, simple jump switch motion as you throw it. And then also, make sure you really practice the timing of this kick. So have someone come in, make sure you get your good reaction, good timing. That way you can land it successfully in sparring. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you would like to see in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. Those links will be in the description box down below. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys later.